意思如喎。
哦，你繼續落，
你記得叫解翻名咯，睇嚟你條風腳。好，呢邊。
幾歲啊？你知道？
手腳各區啲喎，係啊，你首先你拉。
Oh yeah, this is great here.
哇，有吞魚，哦，大碗啦。接緊啲啱嘅啲啊，呢行就馬上發到美嘅啦。
人家發紅啦嘛。
手是乾淨呢個，孖嚟啲呢個都買得呢個。我嗰手。
還分啊？
唔分幾大幾大呢個呢？這分了一十二條的，一十六條的。16條的就是16個。
不是我自己意思哟。
你結果你那結果是吧？我聽到人家這個是吧？分了多少分？啊好。這我早點我來說。
還要打。
How often they don't do it like this no more, do they? But she's learned to do this somewhere for as young as she is. She's
pretty good.
This I've never seen done. This is worth the trip right here. She ties that string around that little hook on the end of the wire. The string comes in a roll just like that. Hey, how old was she when she started doing this?
18歲好睇嘅。18啊？18。18.
18? The official answer is 18. 18 minus probably 10. Hey, they don't still do this like this, do they?
Yeah.
They use a machine now to do this?
Yeah.
They don't do like this anymore, right?
Yeah.
How long ago they stopped doing this like this?
有了10多年了哈。Maybe 8 years.
8 years ago,
yeah.
They stopped doing this?
Yeah.
Go to machine?
Yeah.
Gotta get the worker in there.
Đây là kia kiểu chưa? Phụ ra.